This is Dad, and that's his son, I think it's a son, and he wants to kill it. Why does he want to kill it? Well, the babies are coming out of the nest, they're getting ready for their second group of eggs, so they've got to make the eggs. So he's got a lot of hormonal stuff going on with him, and males and females both can kill their own babies at that time. In the wild, of course, when they were a bit aggressive like that, the babies just fly away. This is what we in the budgie world call a bomb shelter. These are the base of your ice cream. So you've got to buy all of your ice cream in these sort of plastic devices. When they're finished, you can just get a hole cutter to go on the end of your electric drill, and they'll just drill straight through. So the idea is you put this into the cage, and if the parents are giving the babies a bad time, they run in here. They learn pretty quickly to run in there and hide away from mum and dad. Can you see the two cringing little blue budgies in the corner? They don't do that for no reason. They're cringing in the corner because they're terrified of what their parents are going to do next. Here's the bomb shelter. I can push it in without breaking it. There we go. Now, you'd move the dish. They're still in the corner. If you're just gentle, you can just put that over the top. Within 24 hours, they'll be coming and going. It's fantastic because if Dad's a bit angry or Mum's a bit angry, they dive in there and go, ha 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 ha, we're close. Then Mum and Dad start to realise also that they're not a great threat. The reason Mum and Dad attack them is because they're about to make some more eggs, so they're very hormonal, they're having sex all the time, and they want the babies out of the way. They're almost thinking the babies might want to take their nest box. That's the nest box or hollow in a tree in the wild is really important to budgies because there's more budgies than holes in trees, so they fight for them. Anyway, this is great, but sometimes you've got to tweak the system in the cage just a little bit, and this is the solution. This is just a mixture of basically weed seed. Some of it's canary seed, but others of it are guinea grass and also panic veld grass. There's weeds around the place. Harvest them. The birds love them. By the way, make sure you've identified them correctly. You don't want to give them poisonous plants. But I'm putting in those green grass seeds as sort of a distraction, and I'm hoping in the next few minutes Dad will come down and instead of attacking babies, he'll attack the food. And all of a sudden the birds are going, oh, we've got a bit of, oh, how good's that? Boom, and he do it. And all of a sudden the babies are all right. This little trick of putting in green grass that's covered in feed has saved the lives of many of the budgies that I've seen coming out of the nest over the years. This is the ideal setup. These babies are sitting up on the perch there, feeling good about life. In other words, their parents haven't been attacking them. Notice what's on the floor. Weeds down there, they've all played some games, and Mum and Dad aren't going to kill them.